In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change your profile picture on Instagram. So the first step we have here is, of course, to open and launch your Instagram application. Now, to make sure that you are going to change only your Instagram account, I mean, change the profile of your Instagram account, you have to check first if your sharing or your sync is off. I mean, if you sync your Instagram account to your Facebook, something like that. So tap these three lines here, and then you have to find this settings and privacy and go to sharing and make sure that your other social media account is not synced to your Instagram so that you can only change your Instagram profile. Okay, so tap this sharing and remixes and turn this one off. Turn everything off here. Or you can simply scroll down and go directly to your Facebook. Okay, turn this one off. Okay, so step three, go back to your profile and look for edit profile. Step four, click edit profile, tap your picture. Okay, click not now. And then tap again edit picture. Now click import from Facebook or new profile picture. It will take you directly to your gallery. You have to choose your file here. For example, this one. Okay, step five is you have to click next in order for you to add filters and edit your profile picture. Step six, you just have to find the right filter for you, or you can also tap edit to adjust and do something with your brightness, with your contrast, warmth, saturation, or even change the color of your background or your picture. So once done, you just have to click done. And step seven is you just have to tap this check icon here so that the information or everything that you change will be saved. So that's it. Thank you for watching. See you in our next videos.